Welcome back, students. Today we are going to understand the practical on simple linear regression. Now see, before we start with simple linear regression, we have to understand what is linear regression. Commonly used type of predictive analysis is a linear regression. It is basically a statistical approach जहाँ पर we can model the relationship between a dependent variable and a given set of independent variable. Now see, there are two types of linear regression. एक होता है simple linear and दूसरा होता है multilinear regression. Now in this practical we will understand the simple linear concept. बेसिकली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सिंपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन, एक ऐसा स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड है जो अलाउ करता है हमको समराइज करने और स्टडी करने रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू कॉन्टिन्यूस वेरिएबल, दैट इज़ टू क्वांटिटेटिव वेरिएबल्स. एक वेरिएबल जो है, लेट्स से वी आर डिनोटिंग मे बी विद द एक्स that is regarded as an independent variable, and let's say we have another variable which we can denote by y that can be regarded as a dependent variable. So it is assumed that the two variables, they are really linearly related. So we try to find a linear function that predicts कि भाई जो response value होगा, that is y, as accurately as possible as a function of the feature of independent variable. So to understand the concept, we are going to make use of a data set that is salary, and we will also make use of a another thing that is a year's experience. So over here we are considering a salary data set where it is given the value of dependent variable. मतलब जो salary है वो हमारा dependent variable है for every independent variable, that is years of experience. ठीक है, जिसका years of experience क्या है, it will be independent. ठीक है, और dependent यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारा salary variable जो है dependent है. So let us understand क्या how this code is working. So the code basically starts by creating a data frame that is called employee.data. Over here we have created a data frame that is employee.data, and over here we have two columns, years of experience and salary in lakhs. That I already made you aware कि जो salary है वो हमारा dependent variable है, और जो हमारा years of experience है बच्चों वो हमारा independent variable है. ठीक है, now the code will create a linear model for the relationship between these two variables. ठीक है, so for that we are making use of this function. ठीक है, is it clear? Then after that we have use a formula that is salary in lakhs and with the help of years of experience, and we are calculating the data over here. Now at the end the code will take the data frame of employee.data and it will use the LM function to create a linear model that will predict salary in lakh based on the years of experience. So when we run this particular thing, so you can see over here we have got the summary also. Then over here you can see the coefficient values, and over here we have the linear regression plotted. ठीक है, so for this see students, over here we have made use of plot for plotting so as to visualize. ठीक है, visualization basically help us to understand the concept properly. Then we have also made use of a very important function that is AB line function. Basically whenever we want to add one or more straight line to a graph, so AB line function can be used to add the line. So you can even add vertical, horizontal. Over here we are using regression line to plot. I hope it is understood. So thank you everyone.